I need a double shot of pure caffeine, and the indie band on the speaker soothes my brain. So I'll remain within the sound of Starbucks. Tried to brew my own at home, but felt so quiet and alone. I need to be amid the morning rush, where the leather chairs are soft and plush. And I'll drink a grande cappuccino with a pumpkin scone, and charge my phone, and listen to the sound of Starbucks. Then I heard an awful scream. They had totes run out of cream. A new employee spilled some coffee grounds, and the Wi-Fi went completely down. And a lady in yoga pants threw her latte at the wall. The cops were called. Then came the sound of sirens. In the drive-thru lane I saw 100 hipsters, maybe more. People paying without drinking. People waiting, they were all freaking. People going off 'cause they couldn't get a caramel frap. Holy crap. A riot started at Starbucks while a Bible study prayed. Baristas formed a barricade. The manager cried out a warning to the angry mob that was forming. And he said, I checked Google Maps, there's another store across the street. So we stampeded